Done a video in a while. That's a mama squirrel up there, huh? Well, blue jays are hawking. What are they hawking about? All the peanuts are out there. Oh, there they go. He's over there. Trying to get in that little thing there. Look at the blue jay. Grab and go. Look at this one. Mama squirrel, come on.
Come here, Mama.
Oh, there's pecan halves in there. Oh, another peanut.
Another blue jay took a pecan half.
Really?
Yep.
The squirrels are out today. Looks like it's about to rain. We have one of our squirrels got a lump on his face. Looks like he got stung.
I need to go up that way.
Okay.
For a second.
Alrighty. And across, where's Buddy? Buddy just came up with like 3 of them. You want a pecan? No.
We'll get it in a minute.
Going back to a spot up there. Better over there, I guess.
That's what she needs.
Oh, look at that little one up there.
Hey, sweetie.
Trying to navigate.
See who that is with the swollen face. Because either Buster or his twin was just here and they were fine.
Yeah, his face was pretty swollen on the side. Definitely looks like he got bit or stung by something. We've got a few squirrels out here. We've gotten nicked up. And it's hard to tell because we got a lot of young, a lot of adolescent squirrels, so they scrap too. We got hawk have been out here a lot. This one is, look at this one. Trying to hold the camera steady. She's nursing, so she's chowing down on peanuts. Trying to give her a pecan, but I guess she prefers peanuts. Yeah, she's pretty set. Going for another one. Squirrels are all doing well. enjoying a break from the hot sun. It's been pretty cool out here this week.